Hello, my name is Scott, and this is my 2009 Audi, which is my baby. I take care of this to the point of obsessiveness. A couple of weeks ago, I was in the garage and I had some stuff stacked up on a garage refrigerator, and it all fell down on my hood. And it made some gnarly big dents up in here, covered like a large space of this hood up here. I didn't think it would ever be able to look the same. And then I found Jack's website, called Jack up. I brought my car over here. Not only did he make this hood look new, look better than it was when I got it, but he found other dents that I hadn't even noticed that he fixed at the same time. So all I can say is, Sioux Falls Dent Repair, Jack's the man. If I ever get the unfortunate happening of getting another dent, I'm going to come back and see this guy, and you should too.